Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on PI Network using the Facebook. PI Network is a mobile-based cryptocurrency project that allows users to mine PI coins directly from their smartphones without consuming battery power or the mobile data. And unlike traditional crypto mining, PI Network is designed to be the simple, secure and accessible for everyday users. And if you're new to PI Network and want an easy way to create an account using Facebook, is one of the fastest options. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to sign up to the PI Network using the Facebook step by step. So first you need to download and open to the PI Network if you already have not. So you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and download it from there as well. And after that you need to open to the PI Network here. And over here on the welcome screen, tap the continue with Facebook on the bottom. As we have three options: continue with Facebook, phone number or the Apple. Simply select with the Facebook here and select continue here. And if required, you are also required to enter your email or the phone number and password. And after that, select with the continue as your Facebook account here. And that is it. And also make sure your Facebook account is active and accessible. Never share your PI account or recovery information. And that's it. That's how you can sign up on PI Network using Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.